Okay, I realize that this may be a petty issue, but it's kind of important to me. I'm an anthropology major, so not that I've extensively studied primatology or the physiology and anatomy of apes. I do know a fair amount, and so there's a lot of people talking in the comments about what the mother orangutan was doing, why she was eating the afterbirth, and so on and so forth. Well, first of all animals, I think humans might be the one exception that don't need to eat the afterbirth to induce lactation. A lot of animals, if they don't eat the afterbirth, they can't provide milk for their babies, which is obviously a bad thing. So it's just kind of instinct for animals to do that. The second part is a lot of people are talking about how it's such an easy birth, but that's because of the pelvises are just completely different shapes. Therefore, the birth canal are completely different shapes. Here's a picture of an orangutan pelvis. If you'll notice, the pelvis it's oval shaped, which means, and since they don't walk upright, there's no need for the birth canal to twist shapes and at all. So the birth canal is just basically a chute. It's a very easy tunnel to just kind of fall out of, whereas the human pelvis, cue that, has accommodated for humans walking upright, which also means that our bodies are twisted in a completely different position, which means the birth canal is twisted in a completely different position. It's actually an S shape. That's why when human babies are born, the plates in their head aren't fused together, so they can fit through this terrible S shape of a birth canal, and plus it's so much smaller. So I guess that's really all I have to say about that. I don't know why I made this reply. It's just something that's I don't know, something that interests me. And for those of you who are interested, as I am, about that kind of stuff, there's a book called Birth, and it's pretty amazing. It's The History of Birth. It's by Tina Cassidy, and I think that'll answer your questions, or most of your questions, as to how humans give birth and why we do the things we do. So that's it.